Hi, welcome to our channel. Today we'll see how to install Brave browser in Windows 11. Open Google browser. Go to google.com and type here Brave browser. So click on download Brave for free, fast, private and safe. Click on download Brave free button. They got downloaded the exe file. Open it. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click on yes button. It will take some few minutes to download it. The file got downloaded. Now it is installing the file. So ready for the best privacy online. So if you want to set Brave as default, click on this, or if you want to make it default Brave as later, so click on maybe later option. Now we got the Brave browser. Thank you for watching the video. If you like our video, please click like and add your comments in comment section, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.